There are supercars, and then there's the Maserati MC20, a name that stands not only for performance but also for passion, heritage, and unapologetic Italian flair. The 2026 Maserati MC20 isn't just a refresh of an icon, it's a declaration. A bold statement from Modena that Maserati is still very much in the game and rewriting the rules in the process. Let's talk design. The MC20 is a sculpture on wheels. Every line, every curve is a blend of aerodynamic function and artistic form. For 2026, Maserati hasn't overhauled the look, and honestly, why would they? The original design was a masterpiece. But subtle tweaks to the front splitter, active rear spoiler, and air inlets give this new version an even more aggressive stance. New carbon fiber finishes and an extended color palette, including the stunning Nero Essenza and Blue Infinito, make it feel more exotic than ever. Step inside, and you're not just entering a cockpit, you're entering a different reality. The 2026 MC20's cabin is minimalist but rich, driver-focused yet luxurious. Carbon fiber and Alcantara dominate, wrapping around you in a way that screams performance. The seats are newly refined for greater comfort without compromising support during high-speed maneuvers. A new 10.5-inch floating infotainment system powered by Maserati's latest MIA software keeps everything sleek and intuitive, while the updated digital instrument cluster adapts in real time based on driving mode. Speaking of driving modes, that's where the real story begins. Under the rear clamshell lies the soul of the beast, the Nettuno V6 engine, now even more ferocious. Maserati has fine-tuned the 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 to deliver 645 horsepower and 540 pounds-ft of torque, up slightly from the previous model. That means 0 to 60 in a blistering 2.7 seconds, and a top speed just shy of 210 miles per hour. But the MC20 is more than just a straight-line rocket. Its double wishbone suspension, adaptive dampers, and perfectly balanced chassis mean it dances through corners with the grace of a ballerina. And the fury of a lion, new for 2026, is a track-focused variant called the MC20 Casa, stripped of excess weight, equipped with a titanium exhaust system, stiffer suspension, and a bespoke aerodynamics package. The Corsa takes everything about the MC20 and dials it up to 11. This isn't a car you drive to the track. This is a car that is the track. Yet even with this hardcore performance, Maserati has maintained daily drivability, making the MC20 surprisingly refined when you need it to be. Tech-wise, Maserati hasn't held back. The new driver assist suite includes adaptive cruise, lane keep, assist, and blind spot monitoring, all cleverly integrated without intruding on the pure driving experience. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a high-end Sonos Faber audio system come standard, but chances are you'll prefer the sound of the Nettuno engine echoing through a mountain tunnel. For those leaning towards sustainability, Maserati hasn't forgotten you. While the fully electric MC20 Folgore is still in development, a plug-in hybrid variant has been hinted at, merging electrification with raw combustion power. But make no mistake, the 2026 MC20 is still very much a purist's machine, and Maserati intends to keep it that way for as long as possible. What makes the MC20 so special is that it feels alive. It's not just the stats, the carbon, or the badge, it's the soul behind the engineering. You feel every heartbeat of the engine, every shift of the dual-clutch transmission, every vibration through the carbon tub chassis. It doesn't just drive, it communicates. In a world where supercars are becoming more digital, more isolated, more sanitized, the 2026 Maserati MC20 is a refreshing return to what makes driving special. It's visceral, emotional, imperfect in the most perfect way. This is a car built not by algorithms but by artisans. A car that doesn't just get you from A to B, but makes every moment between unforgettable. So if you're looking for a machine that blends cutting-edge performance with Italian soul, the MC20 isn't just a contender, it might just be the last of the great romantic supercars. Closing shot. The MC20 tearing down the highway as the sun sets, the roar of the Nettuno engine fading into the horizon. The Trident logo appears on screen with the words, Maserati MC20 Drive the Passion,